Using Pepperstone's cTrader platform is ideal for intuitive trading with advanced charting tools and order capabilities. Here's a step-by-step guide. Access cTrader platform. Download the cTrader application from Pepperstone's website or use the web version. Log in using your Pepperstone credentials and select the correct server for your live or demo account. Explore the interface. The watchlist on the left shows available instruments and their real-time prices. The chart area in the center provides customizable charts with various timeframes and indicators, while the trade panel at the bottom displays open trades, balances, and order history. Place trades. To place a trade, either select the instrument on the watchlist or right-click on the chart. You will have options for market order or limit or stop orders. Specify your trade size, set stop loss and take profit levels if desired, and click buy or sell. Analyze with tools. cTrader offers tools like technical indicators, Fibonacci retracements, and customizable chart types. Use the cTrader Automate feature to set up algorithmic trading if you have pre-coded strategies. Manage active trades. Monitor trades in the trade panel, where you can modify stop loss or take profit levels, close trades, or view order history.